First, remove washer lift and reaction cups, then we can see parts of this motor. The motor is right out of this lamp. To get this motor, we should take this whole reaction disc out. First, we need to let wash station move back or it blocks reaction disc moving up. Here we already loosened wash station to fix the screws. Just move it back. Then open this cover and disconnect inside two cables. Loosen these 4 hexagon socket screws. And 2 Phillips screws, one is here. Another one is here. Here we already removed these 4 hexagon socket screws. Next step, loosen these 2 Phillips screws. Until now, we still can't take these whole things out. As you can see, the black reaction disc holder broke this lamp. So we need to rotate the holder to a proper position, but we can't in here, because the motor is broken and the motor rotors are fixed. One good solution, remove these 3 Phillips screws to disconnect the connection between motor and this holder. Don't worry, we can find it after we taking reaction disc out. Then we can rotate it. Here we need to remove this lamp from reaction disc. Because doing so would eliminate removing this lamp cooling system. And we still left several cables need to disconnect. The first one is lamp power cable. and these sensor cables, signal cables. Now we can take the reaction disk out. Please be careful this cable, because sometimes it breaks this silver iron box. This is the motor that we need to replace. Remove these 4 screws and take it out. Pick up them one missed screw. For new motor, we don't have this metal sheet. So keep the old one, we need that. Fix this metal sheet on the motor by 4 Phillips screws. Now we can install the new one.